So hello everyone, so this is Mrityunjay, chemistry faculty in Resonance, and today we are going to introduce one of the most beautiful topic of class 10th, that is chemical equation. And in this we are going to further sub-study types of chemical reaction. So basically what are the types of chemical reaction? What is firstly chemical reaction? And we will see that in chemical reaction some bond will be broken or some bond will be formed. So now we will see what is basically chemical reactions. So we can see that a chemical reaction, that atoms of one element do not change into those of the another element. So no new atom will be produced or something like that. Now we can see nor do atoms disappear. Whatever the reactant is there, it is not going to disappear. The atoms are not going to disappear, or in the product also no new atoms will be coming out, like it will not be appear from somewhere else. Okay, so actually what happened, that chemical reaction, it involves, as I already mentioned, that it is involve breaking and it involves making of bonds between atoms to produce a new substance. So either breaking will happen or making will happen to form a new product, and that we will be referring as a chemical reaction. Okay, so combination reaction, as the name is suggesting, combine hoga, reactant will come to and form a product. Suppose A, so A is what? It's a reactant. A is what? It's a reactant. Okay, now what happened? Suppose plus will be there, as the name is suggesting, combination. Now what will happen? B is coming. Again this is what? Reactant. So now a arrow will be there, we can see, because combination product is forming, a reaction is happening, and now you can see AB is there. AB is what? It's a product. And you can easily observe that in AB, the A is coming from the reactant, the B is coming from the reactant, and nothing new has been introduced. So simply the reactants are reacting to form a product. Okay, so a chemical reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form a single product, that is called a combination reaction. So we can easily see what a combination reaction actually is. So let's see some example, that what are the examples, in which examples we can find out the combination reaction. Like this is the burning of coal. We already have observed whenever your mother is cooking some foods in rural areas mostly, or in winter times also, some in villages you can see the people burn coal. So this is basically what happened. Carbon, that's coming from the coal, and oxygen is present everywhere, like 21% is oxygen only. So now what will happen? These two will react with itself and it's going to form CO2. Again what happened? Combination, a reaction is happening. So now we can see the carbon solid that is coming from the coal and oxygen which is coming from the atmosphere to form a CO2, that is our product over here. So it's basically what? It's a combination reaction. Okay, moving ahead, formation of water. Again what happened? H2O. So again what will happen? H is there, O2 is present everywhere, we will see. So what is happening? H, two atoms of H, and oxygen is again present everywhere, oxygen atoms. It is going to form H2O molecules. Again this is a combination reaction. One atom of oxygen combined with the two atom of hydrogen to form a water molecules. These are the water molecules. Okay, moving ahead, so 2H2, you can see two atoms of hydrogen plus one atom of oxygen, one oxygen. It is going to form 2H2O. You can balance it, and this is the water which we are present everywhere. Okay, so now this is a beautiful illustration to show how basically combination reaction is existing. So we have a setup like this. You can see we have taken basically calcium oxide. This is CaO, and water, normal natural water, tap water, whatsoever you wanted, and this is a thermometer. Now it is showing 25 degrees Celsius. That is a normal room temperature. This is what? Normal room temperature. Okay, so now this is the setup. Now what will happen? I will just simply, what will I will do? I will just duct the water. Now water is getting now the product, and now we will see thermometer reading. Actually it has been changed. Now it has been 30 degrees Celsius, and what it has been formed? Slaked down, that is calcium hydroxide. We will see what are the reactions happening, but you can see earlier our temperature was 25 degrees Celsius. Now it has gone to 30 degrees Celsius. It means what? The reaction has taken place. That's why the heat is getting increased. So basically combination reaction is happening. Combination reaction. it is suggesting since some heat is there, so it is basically what combination reaction, and temperature has already been increased in this case. So calcium oxide was there, quicklime, and then water what we have dipped into the container, and then we have formed a calcium hydroxide. So this is the slaked lime. So this is all for the today's lecture. Thank you.